What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Mommy J, and I am doing a collaboration with a company called Fortok, and we're going to just open up and review this handbag that was sent to me. So let's get into the video. I also have some other items that I received from Bath and Body Works, so we're going to get into that as well. So before we start, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video out. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I received this handbag and I'm gonna open it up. This is the packaging, how it looks, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how everything looks. So of course, when you open it up, it comes in this dust bag, and then I'm really feeling the jean look, guys. So let's get into this jean look. Look how cute this is, y'all. I'm a jean lover. I love to rock me some jean wear. As you can see, I am rocking a jean outfit, okay, to go along with my jean bag, okay? So let's get into it, y'all. So first of all, I love the buckle. The buckle is just really cute. I love the storage space. Look how much storage space it is in this bag. It's a lot of space in here. Okay, so I'm loving the handle. It's like a chain handle, and I know it's really adjustable, so you can just rock it long, or either if you're that girl that wants to wear it short, you can rock it short. I am loving the color on this handbag. It's like a brown jean Gucci style, very cute, little vintage style going on here. And it just has a lot of space in this handbag, right? It's just really cute. Like, it's just giving cuteness all over. Look at that. So I am going to stand up and I am going to see how cute this looks. Y'all know I got to stand up and show you guys. So let's get into it. It's all of the above, just cuteness, right? Just cute. So comment below, let me know what y'all think. Is this something that you guys wear? And of course, all of you guys will be getting 22% off, honey. Click in my link in the description, grab yours today. Shout out to Fortok for this collaboration. Look how cute. And this thing could fit so much in the little compartments. I just think this bag is cute, honey. All right, so thank you Fortok for this collaboration. This bag is just it's just it, like, period, right? Okay, so thank you Fortok for that collaboration. The bag is just a vibe. Like, I'm just loving the vibe, and you guys will too. Don't forget to click on the link in my description. Check it out. It may be something you may like on the website, honey. All right, so let's get into the next product. I have some Bath and Body Works. I have some new products that I have not tried. Let's get into that. Okay, so we are doing Bath and Body Works, and the first thing that I got, they had candles on sale, so I wanted to try them. This is called Sunday Self-Care Sunday. So this is what it looked like. Comment below if you ever tried this. But honey, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. So nice and refreshing. So of course I wanted to try this out. Self-Care Sunday. I will have the link in my description as well. I also had to pick up another Midnight Addiction. I got the bigger bottle because y'all know I was getting a smaller too, and I am so addicted to this. This smells amazing. Okay, I will have this in a link as well. This is Midnight Addiction, my favorite. I had to cop a bigger one, guys. So this is what that looks like. And then I also picked up this Cinderella little sunflower. It's a scent control for Faith Room. So this is like the little princess Is this Cinderella? Let me see which one this is. I think this, oh, this is a Disney princess. So this is like a little, you put your little scents in, and it has like a little princess shoe for the little smell goods. So these are the Princess Cinderella fragrance. So you will put this inside. This is the fragrance. You will put that inside, and it will just make her room smell really, really, really good. I saw this and I had to get it. I thought this was really, really cute. I will have this in my link as well, just in case you want to grab one yourself. Look how cute that is. Look at the close-up. Ain't that just so cute and girly? Okay. And then I grabbed another one of the scents. I love these so much. I love to put them in my room. I love to put these around the house. It just have a nice, powerful, light smell. This flavor is called Princess Cinderella. So these will be for Faith room here, these two. And then I also picked up one for me. I picked up another one. This is Princess Tiana. This one is Princess Tiana. And then I also picked up the Princess Tiana lotion, the body spray, and the bath wash. This was on sale as well. If y'all saw my last video when I redid Faith bedroom, I got her the Cinderella pack, but this one is the Tiana. So you get all three and they were on sale. I'll have it in my link as well. And then I got the raspberry with vanilla hand wash. So you could put this in your bathroom here. This smells really, really good. It's like a foam. I love these as well. I only picked up one, okay? And then I think that is it. Oh, I got one more thing. I'm sorry, y'all. I also picked up the Japanese cherry blossom, and this is a room spray. This smells so amazing. I love the jasmine smell. This is jasmine cherry blossom. So this smells really, really good. This is one of my other favorites as well. And that is it for my Bath and Body haul. I hope you guys love my little haul. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on other social media networks, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So hope to see you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Also shout out to Fortok for that collaboration. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and blessings. Bye.
Am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.